Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Bumble app grayed out. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on Bumble app, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to the window of apps and you can click on Bumble app. Sorry, not here. You go to Bumble app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, you can click on airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.